FiBO adapters come in all the standard single fiber, ferrule diameters, and connector styles, both PC and APC. So here we're looking at an M29 504 Termini using the FiBO 200. So focusing is looking for the maximum fringe contrast. Both the FiBO 250 and the FiBO 300 models have autofocus capabilities. So here on the left side of the screen we have text boxes to fill in information about the connector. Select the appropriate configuration. 3D defect measures both the end face geometry and visual inspection for scratch defects, etc. at the same time. So the results are in the upper left corner. Here we're looking at the surface rendering. Down on the bottom is the visual inspection, so looking at different views as well as different filters and things like that to look at the visual inspection. To view a report, click View and then Report, and a report will show up that can be saved or printed. Another way of looking at reports is going to the database, select the appropriate measurement, and select Report, or once again, View Report. To do batch reports, you can select multiple measurements. Once again, hit Report or View Report, click Yes, and you will see a batch report. Changing adapters does not require recalibration. So here we're going from a ferrule adapter, PC, to a connector adapter, APC. So once again, does not require recalibration going between different adapters and going from PC to APC. So focus is looking for the maximum fringe contrast. Select the appropriate APC configuration, which is what is shown here. 3D defect measures both the 3D end face geometry as well as visual inspection for scratch defect cleanliness. Results are shown in the upper left. So here we see the rendering of the surface, and down below is the visual inspection. To view a report, click View and Report. To create a new configuration, click the little pencil and then click Add. So the General tab fills in general information about the configuration. Under Metrology on the left is the pass-fail criteria, as well as equations for the fiber height. On the right is fitting zones. These would typically be changed for different diameter of fibers. The default is to save each individual measurement manually, though that can be changed by going to the settings menu and clicking automatically accept every measurement. Now after each measurement, the measurement results will be saved automatically to the database.